Assalamualaikum, my name is Zaruno Fitri bin Mustafa Kamal. My matrix number FA18123. Today I want to present you about my project that is solar electric boats. Okay, first of all, I will introduce you about my project. The boat is powered by direct solar energy. Our boats use solar cells that transform the solar energy into electrical energy, which is stored temporarily in lithium-ion batteries and used to drive the boat through electric motors. And drive system electric propulsion offer effective maneuverability, precise and smooth speed control, and then reduce engine room, low noise and low pollution rates. Solar electric boats are recommended solution for tourist navigation in areas where combustion engines are prohibited. Actually, many solar electric boats are available. Unfortunately, these boats have a sporadic use. Okay, next, the objective of my project is the first object for this project is to design and develop a solar boat that is powered by an electric motor which get its supply from photovoltaic panels and partially use solar energy. Besides that, the objective is to develop a solar power electric boat that can minimize and economical the electricity used for its electric motor and maximize the usefulness of solar energy in our life economically and efficiently, and then extend the system for commercial market. The last objective is to study the characteristics of solar energy to produce alternative renewable energy and make analysis about the appropriate method to use the solar energy as an alternative source of energy. This project also have a problems. This project is designed as developed because there are a lot of problems with the ordinary boats that use electric power which get its supply from the generator. For example, the ordinary boats use diesel fuel to run the generator of the boats and then supply electric power to run the electric motor. The increasing impact of fuel price is the global market is one of the factors that motivate people now to try and find use of new alternative energy to substitute the usefulness of fuel. And as we know, the solar electric boat cannot be used at night because there is no sunlight to produce energy. However, this problem can be solved by using rechargeable batteries that can supply current to the electric motor of the solar boat at night. Besides that, the solar electric boats also have an electric motor to move it easily and efficiently on water. So the selection of electric motor must be exact and applicable to the solar electric boats. Okay, this is my result of solar electric boats. Based on these pictures, there are the real solar electric boat about my project. An untidy aspect of the boat was that basically all the wires were visible, as was the fact of some of the glue was also clearly visible. Overall, although I invest a lot of time in sanding a painting that the boat it still had a somewhat unfinished appearance. One possible solution to that problem could have been to construct a structure that would cover the motor as well as the wires. However, in the last day I added stick to the edge of the deck and circle the wires. This has improved the appearance. Okay, this is my material that I use to design my project. So the conclusion is solar power recreational boat electric system consists of three main systems. In example, photovoltaic panel system, battery system, as well as the installation of electric equipment inside. In addition, technical report about the design and production process of the solar boats were present, aiming to create an academic pool of articles. Moreover, it contains the information about the new practical technologies and safety and reliability methods utilized in the boats. So that's all from me. Thank you.